Hello friends, welcome back. I hope you must be waiting for my videos. Yeah, you were? Yeah. So guys, are you not getting bored at your homes? Are you getting bored? Yeah, I know you are because just I am also getting bored because you are not going to your schools and even can't go for eating pizzas, right? So, do you want me to make some funny videos for you all? Do you want me? Surely, I will work on it, but not in this video. In this video, I'm not going to make any funny things. In this video, we are going to learn about Earth. Okay? So, without wasting our more time, let's quickly start our video. Now, what is Earth? Guys, do you know what is Earth? You know? It is a unique planet. Earth is very unique planet. Look, Earth is unique planet. It is only here that life has been found. Why it is unique planet? Why it is unique planet? Do you know why it is unique planet? Because just on Earth only the life is possible. Any planet life is not possible. Only on Earth the life is possible. Okay. Then second is, it is the third planet from the sun and the largest among the inner planets. It is third planet from the sun if you count Mercury, Venus, Earth. Then Earth comes in the third. So it is the third planet among the among from the sun. Now it is the largest planet among the inner planets. Now what are inner planets? Do you know what are inner planets? Remember, they are terrestrial planets. Terrestrial planets are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Earth, and all. Right? So these four are inner planets. Now, about of 2/3 of the Earth is covered by water. Now 1/3 of Earth. Do you know 1/3 of Earth? अब हम देखते हैं कि 1/3 of Earth is covered by water. Now you can know कि how much water is there. Right, so 1/3 of Earth is covered by water. It is therefore also known as a blue planet. Why it is known as blue planet? Earth is also known as blue planet. Why it is known as? Because the one of the third of the Earth is covered with water, so it is known as blue planet. Now here what is found in all three states? जो water है. Now water is found in all three states. That is found in three states. That you know, solid, liquid and gas. I hope you must have learned about solid, liquid and gas. So the water is found here in three states. That is solid, liquid and gas in nature. Now, Earth is surrounded by a blanket of air called the atmosphere. Atmosphere. I hope you must have listened this word atmosphere. So, atmosphere means that Earth is surrounded by a blanket of air. Atmosphere means blanket of air. So, our Earth is surrounded by the blanket of air, which is known as atmosphere. Now, the favorable conditions that facilitates life on Earth are. Acha, now guys, in the previous video I told you that life on the Earth is possible because of the optimum distance between the sun and the Earth. This I told you in the last video, and also told that because of the water also life is possible on the Earth. So there are some other examples also which tell you that what are the things that life is possible on Earth. So let's see these. You want? Yeah, so let's see this. First is optimum distance from the sun. That I have already told you that the optimum distance, the distance between the sun and the Earth is either too far nor too close. Okay. Now an average surface temperature of 40 degree Celsius. Okay. अब जो एवरेज सरफेस टेम्परेचर है हमारी अर्थ का, द सरफेस टेम्परेचर एज यू कैन सी, दिस इज द सरफेस टेम्परेचर, राइट? So what is the surface temperature of Earth? It is 40 degrees Celsius. It is 40 degrees Celsius. Now, adequate availability of liquid water. This also I have told you that because of the water, the life is possible on Earth. Because of the liquid water. Okay. Now the presence of atmosphere that protects living things from ultraviolet rays of the sun. Now, there are, you know, atmosphere protects the ultraviolet rays of the sun from reaching to the Earth, because the ultraviolet rays of the sun are coming to our Earth, right? So the atmosphere protects, means it blocks the ultraviolet rays of the sun from reaching to our earth. So these were the things that tell us life is possible on the earth. So these are the some things. Now let's know more about it. Comparative study of planets. Now guys, I told you about the earth, but let's know more about all the planets once let's know more about it. Okay, so now look, the comparative study of planets, I should show you like this. Yeah, now look, it is the name of the planet is given, then the significant facts, diameter of the planet, the distance of the planet, revolution, rotation, and the moons that the planet have. Okay, so let's see. First, let's see of Mercury. First, let's see of Mercury. Now look, Mercury. Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun and the smallest planet. Now look, this is our sun. Look, wait, let me show you. This is our sun, and Mercury, this is Mercury, this is the planet. Now it is nearest to the sun, it is the first planet in our solar system, so it is nearest to the sun. Let's see more. Surface temperature ranges from scoring 427 degrees Celsius to minus 173 degrees Celsius. Now you can see the temperature of Mercury is so much, to minus also, minus 173 degrees Celsius. Now it can be because it is just nearest to the sun, so obviously the rays of the sun will fall on the Mercury. Okay, now the distance from the sun. Now what is the distance from the sun? It is 58 million kilometers, means the distance of the sun and the Mercury is 58 kilometers. Then diameter is 4878 kilometers. Diameter is this much. Rotation time 58.6 earth day. What it says that 58.6 earth day. Revolution time times 88 earth days. 88 earth days. Now number of discovered moons till 2010. Now these months are telling about कि till 2010 how many moons were there with Mercury? There were, you guess me, how much will be there? कितने होंगे ऐसा, मतलब मरकरी के पास कितने मून्स होंगे उस टाइम पे 2010 till 2010? Tell me, any guesses? I should tell you, it is zero. You know, zero moons. Zero moons were discovered till 2020 to Mercury. Now let's see about Venus. Venus, it is the brightest planet in the sky. It is the brightest planet in the sky. And same size as the earth, has an iron core like the earth. Now it is the same size, means जो अर्थ का साइज है और जो हमारी वीनस का साइज है, उन दोनों का साइज सेम है. It says this. Then it says that called morning star when it appears in the east before sunrise, and evening star when it appears in west after sunset. या गाइज, आपने सुना होगा कि लोग बोलते हैं कि मतलब कि जो ब्राइटेस्ट स्टार, मतलब कि जो सबसे ज़्यादा चमकता है, उसे हम वीनस स्टार बोलते हैं, इवनिंग स्टार और मॉर्निंग स्टार. तो जब हम सनसेट से पहले उठेंगे ना, सॉरी, जब सन आएगा उससे पहले जब हम उठेंगे, जब हम जल्दी उठेंगे तो क्या होगा कि हमें मॉर्निंग स्टार दिखाई देगा. मतलब कि मॉर्निंग स्टार क्या होता है? वीनस. तो वीनस हमें दिखाई देगा स्काई में, जो कि ईस्ट की साइड होगा. यू कैन सी हो दैट इट सेज called morning star when it appears in the east before sunrise. When we wake up before sunrise, we will see the Venus, means the morning star in the east. And it also says that and evening star when it appears in the west after sunset. Now after the sunset we will see evening star, and evening star is Venus only. So in before sunrise and after sunset we see evening star, that is evening star, and morning star, that is Venus in the sky. Okay, now Let's see about the distance from the sun of Venus. It is 108 million kilometers. 108. Now I told you about that. I told you about the Earth, so it is just same of that. Diameter. Diameter is 12,104 kilometers. It's 12,104 kilometers, its diameter. Then rotation is 243 Earth days. 243 Earth days. Revolution time is 225 Earth days. And number of discovered moons till 2010. Now I asked you about Mercury. Now tell me about Venus also. What was about Venus? Venus में कितने stars discovered हुए थे तो 2010 में बताओ. Zero. They were formed 0 stars. Okay. Now let's see more about. Now it comes our Earth. Our Earth, it is the largest and the densest among the inner planets. This I have already told you earlier that Earth is the largest planet among the inner planets and the only planet with the life. Life is only possible on the Earth and called the blue planet. And now let's see the distance from the sun. Distance from the sun is 150 million kilometers. It is the distance from the sun. Diameter 12,756 kilometers. Its diameter is. And rotation time, as you know, our Earth completes one rotation in 24 hours, means in one day, so it's 24 hours. And revolution times 365 days. Earth day. Now you know our Earth completes revolution in 365 days or 366 days. Because just तभी तो हमारा न्यू ईयर फॉर्म होता है ना, then only our new year forms. So that is. Now number of discovered moons till now. Now you know only one moon is seen from the Earth. From our Earth only one moon is seen. So only one moon is discovered till 2020 to our Earth. Okay. Now let's see about Mars. What is Mars? Mars is also known as red planet because of its color. Mars, its the color is so red. Its color is so red, so it is known as red planet. Okay, now distance from the sun is 217 million kilometers. Distance is 217 million kilometers. Now let's see diameter. Diameter is 6,750 kilometers. Diameter बहुत बड़ा है. चलो. रोटेशन टाइम 24 आवर्स 37 मिनट्स. अब देखो रोटेशन टाइम मार्स का और अर्थ का सेम है. रोटेशन टाइम दोनों का सेम है ना, क्योंकि हमारी अर्थ में क्या होता है, अर्थ में 24 आवर्स कंप्लीट होते हैं रोटेशन के लिए और मार्स में 24 आवर्स 37 मिनट्स. 37 मिनट्स ही तो ज़्यादा है अर्थ से. बस अब हम देखते हैं रिवोल्यूशन टाइम. रिवोल्यूशन टाइम ज़्यादा है. रिवोल्यूशन टाइम से 687 अर्थ डेज. ये ज़्यादा है अर्थ से. सो इट इज़ 687 अर्थ डेज. ना नंबर ऑफ moons were discovered 2 moons. अब मरकरी में they have 2 moons with them. Now let's see about Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet which is known as red spot. Okay. It is also known as red spot. Jupiter. It is known as red spots. Largest planet. Okay. Now it's the distance from the sun is 778 million kilometers. 778 million kilometers. Then comes to the diameter. Diameter is 778 million kilometers. Then sorry guys, I correct myself that I told you 778 million kilometers. It was the distance from the sun. So the distance from the sun is 778 million kilometers. Diameter is 1,42,984 kilometers and the rotation time is 9 hours 55 minutes. Then revolution time is revolution time is 1186 earth days. Okay, and the number of moons discovered there was, tell me, guess me, कितने सारे होंगे? मैं तो दंग रहेगी देख के, कितने सारे होंगे बताओ? Guess me. There are 63 moons. You know? Now let's know about Saturn. Saturn, has several rings bands that is made up of ice and dust around it. Now you know Saturn, around Saturn there is so many rings. There are several rings, or we can say bands also, because they are made up of ice. They are made up of ice or dust. Let's see the distance from the earth. Distance from the sun, that is 1047 billion kilometers. Diameter is 1,20,536 kilometers, and rotation is 10 hours 40 minutes. Revolution 29.46 earth years. Now sun was discovered just 1 minus of Jupiter, 62. Now let's see about Uranus. Uranus, highest among the outer planets. Now outer planets are also known as Jovian planets, remember those? They are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So these are the outer planets. So Uranus is the largest planet among all the outer planets. Okay, now let's see distance from the sun. Distance from the sun is 2,870 billion kilometers. Then diameter is 51,011 kilometers. Then let's see the rotation. Rotation is 17 hours 14 minutes. Revolution 84.07 earth years, and number of moons discovered, that was 27 moons were discovered. Now the last comes, that is Neptune. That is the coldest among the major planet. It is the coldest among all the major planets. In our solar system, it is the coldest. Then blue green in color with rings around it. Now as the Saturn has ring in it, like Neptune also has. Now let's see the distance from the sun. It is 4,497 billion kilometers. Diameter is 49,528 kilometers, and rotation time is around 16 hours. It is around 16 hours. Now let's see about the revolution. Revolution is 164.8 earth years, and the number of moons discovered was 13. Number of moons were discovered 13. So guys, in this video we learn about earth and all other planets. Now in the next video we are going to learn about all other interesting things. So guys, as always, अगर मुझसे कोई भी गलती हो तो please so sorry. So bye, we'll meet you again. Bye.